My dear children, this is Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel, where you can learn mathematics through concepts and score good marks if you remember the concepts, but don't try to memorize the mathematics. In this video, we are going to see about figurative exercise taken from pages 69 and 73 sums are there. We are going to see 3 sums in this video. The sums are from Egyptian number system. Okay, this is part 8 of the total figurative exercise. So if you want to watch all, go back 8 and then watch from beginning. You will get all the figurative exercises from a story of number, that is chapter 3 of class 8 CBSE book. Okay, now we'll go into the topic. This is question number 1 from figurative exercise, which is located in page number 69 of your new book. Can there be a number whose representation in Egyptian numerals as one of the symbols occurring 10 or more times? Why or why not? Okay, if it is yes, you have to write y. If it is no also, you have to write y only. Okay, now listen, 10 times what we have seen, now only we have taken square for 5 power 0 and triangle for 5 power 1, like that some symbols we have taken. So if we are writing 10 lines, that is 10, I will write now 10. We won't write 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines we won't write. Instead of this one, we will write one triangle. In the place of this one, I wrote this one. You have to understand. That means instead of writing 10 symbols, we'll write the next one. That too in 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one will write symbol. Next symbol will write in base 5 system. Like that base 4 system, like that base 10 system. Any system we will convert from there itself. So occurring 10 or more times means no. If it is base 10 system, we will cut in base 10. After 10, we will increase it to the higher number, or if it is base 5 system, after 4 will increase to next symbol. I hope you are able to understand. Our next question is, create your own number system of base 4 and represent numbers from 1 to 16. Base 4. So if they are asking base 4, we have known now only base 5, how triangle, square, like that. That means how we are writing 4 power 0 equal to 1. For that one symbol, we'll write what symbol? Triangle. 4 power 1, that is 4. For that we'll write one symbol, circle. 4 power 2, for that what we need? 16. It is 16. That is 16. Now they're asking to write the numbers from 1 to 16. For 16 means okay, problemless. 1 to 16. Okay, now I'll write 1. For 1, what I consider? Triangle. 2, I'll consider 2 triangles. 3 triangles. 4 triangles. Then for here 4 triangles replace 0. Circle. Okay, 4. Then for 5, 1 circle and 1 triangle. For 6, 1 circle, 2 triangles. 7, it looks like 1 circle, 3 triangles. Okay, then 8, 1 circle, 3 triangles. Here for 8, no, instead of writing 4 triangles, I have to write it as double circle. For 8, it is 2 circles. Like this, we should go on writing using these symbols. What symbols we have created here? I wrote 16 itself, no? For that one symbol, I have to write triangle, circle, and I will put square. Okay. For that, we will write it up to 16. Now 9, for example, 2 circles and 1 triangle. 9. 8, 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9. Are you able to understand, my dear children? Write it till the end. If you have time, please write in the comment box using the same symbols as you can type the circle, square and triangle. Will you write it? Yes, if not, I said one idea already. Circle, circle, circle. triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, like that you write it. Here the typing itself we can type in words, circle, a triangle, 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 like that. Here two circles I wrote, triangles 4 I wrote it, don't mistake that I made into two circles in the next line. Instead of 4 we are upgrading to next one. I hope you are able to understand, my dear children. Next, third question from the figure it out exercise. Give a simple rule to multiply a given number by 5 in the base 5 system that we created. Okay, what is for, just we have seen the numbers, circle, now square, triangle for 1, this for 5 power, what is that, 5 power 0, let it be anything, I am writing like this, 5 power 1, and the circle let it be 5 power 2. With this itself I will explain. Now suppose I want 5, this number are 4, I am going to multiply by 5. That means 5 times means what? 4 will become 5 times. That means this 4 here we are going to write 5 times. That's all. That means 20, no, totally 20. What you are going to write? This itself 5 times you are going to write. The next symbol you are going to write 5 times. Okay. In our base 10 system, what you will do, no? 2 into 10. What you will do? Just put 20. Likewise, 2 into 5, we will write here that here 2 symbols will become this one. 5 times it is upgraded, means then it will become this one. 2 5s, that means 2 will become 5. Now it is here 10, no. This is how much? 5 and 5, 10. Okay, are you clear or not? So 2 into 10, as you are giving 20, 2 into 5 will become 5. Suppose it is coming 5 into 5. Okay, what will happen? We have to write this 5 times. This 5 times we have to write 5 times. But we know it is going to be upgraded to the next level. It is circle. So 5 times means you are writing the next level. Always. Here we are writing to the next level. Likewise 2 5s are means 2 5s we are writing in the triangle symbol. That means of 1 1 1 you are writing. We are writing in the 5s. Next level we are writing. Are you clear? I hope you are able to understand. We will move on to next figure it out exercise in our next video. Until then, bye from your Prakasam sir.